First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to solve a 28 reasoning section, that is memory based question paper of SBI CLERK reasoning section. So previous two videos we have solved 2017 question paper, now it is 2018. So after solving all the reasoning section, then we can move on to the aptitude, right? So before watching this video, kindly go to my website. There you can able to see this SBI CLERK 30 practice set. So purchase the practice set first and try to practice it regularly, right? I have given the direct link in the description page. Click that, you can able to purchase and you can start writing the test, right? So now in this 2018 reasoning section, the first three question is based on an arrangements. So a company ABC printed different number of books in a different years. So totally they have given 5 years, right? So the year is 1947, so 56, 87, 98 and not 2, right? So totally they have given 5 years. So what they are saying is 66 books were printed in odd numbered year, which is not 1947. See, 66 books were printed in the odd year, but they are saying that it is not 1947. So 1947 is not printing 66 books. So we know that 56 is an even year. So 98 is an even year. 2002 is an even year. So only one year that we have is 87, which is odd year. So we can say 66 books will be printed in the year of 1987. Right? Because only 2 years that we have odd year, and that too in the question itself they said 1947 where 66 books were not printed. So only 1 year remaining, that is 1987. So definitely 1987 year 66 books will be printed. Got it? So next point, the number of books printed in 1947 is 10 less than the books printed in 1987. Okay, so just see 10 books less than, right? So we already know that 1987 66 books were printed. If it is 10 less than, then 56 books will be printed in the year 1947. So next point, 59 books were printed in the year before the year in which 61 books are printed. See, 59 books were printed in the year before the year which 61 books are printed. So first, and also what they are saying, but not immediately before. It's interesting, right? Just see, first 59 books were printed and then 61 books were printed, but not immediately, right? So definitely we have this area and this area, right? If I fix 59 here, then this must be 61. It is wrong. Why? Because both the books are not immediately printed, right? So definitely this will be 59. So either 98 year can be 61 or else 2002 can be 61. There are two chances. Let me move on to the last point. The number of books printed in 2002 is 2 more than the books that is printed in 1998. See, number of books that is printed in 2002 is 2 more than. So if it is 2 more than, then definitely this must be 61. So if it is 2 more than, then 263. Yes or no? 2 more than. So 61, 62, 63. Got it? So this will be the answer for this arrangement. Interesting arrangement, right? So these are the questions are very simple, where you can crack this question within 1 or 2 minutes. It's very easy, right? The important point here is this: 59 books were printed in the year before the year which 61 books are printed, right? So before the year 61 books are printed, 59 was printed. So 59 will comes first and then only 61 books were printed. So definitely I fixed 59 and 61 here. And also it is not an immediately printed. So definitely 61 should be at any one of the position. Got it? So next thing, let me move on to the questions that they have asked. How many books were printed in 1947? So 1947, how many books were printed? 56 books were printed. So next question, what is the difference between the number of books printed in 1956 and 2002? So 1956 and 2002. So we know that 1956, 59 books are printed. 2002, 63 books are printed. So what is the difference? So difference will be 4. Got it? So next question, in how many years the number of books printed more than the printed in 1998? How many years the number of books printed are more than the printed in 1998? So 1998, 61. So how many years books are printed? More than the printed in 1980. See, 61 books are printed in 98. So more than you can able to see 66, 87th year, more than books are printed. Similarly, in 2002, more than 61 books are printed. So totally 2 years they have printed more than 61 books. So they can say 2 years they have printed a books that is more than the books that was printed in 1998. So this will be the answer for the first 3 questions they have asked in 2018 clerk exam, right? It's very easy. I hope if you solve many number of questions, then these are the questions are very simple. So now let me move on to the next section. So totally they have here direction 4 to 8. So totally they have asked 5 questions, that is from the element series. 2016th question paper also previously solved. Question paper also we have seen an element series. 2018th year question paper also they have asked an element series, right? So question number 1. Which of the following is 5th to the left of, see, 5th to the left of 17th from the left hand. So in the previous video itself I have told you left hand. So what you need to do? You need to subtract, right? So if you subtract 17th from 5th, so this becomes 12th. So from left hand we need to check what is in the 12th position, right? We know that this is left hand and this will be right hand. So from the left hand our target is to check which letter, number or symbol is in the 12th position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can see the letter D is in the 12th position from the left hand. So answer for the first question is letter D. Sorry. So letter D. Got it? So next question. So which of the following is exactly in the middle between D and U in the above arrangement? So we need to find the exactly middle. So we know that D is here, got it? So U is here. So between D and U, let me find how many letters are there. So how many letters, symbols or numbers are there, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So totally between D and U we have 13 elements. So if we have 13 elements, our target is to find the middle. So 13th half will be 6, 6, 12. So 7th will be at the middle position. So let me find what is the 7th position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we can say the number 9 is in the 7th position, that is between D and U middle. So we can say number 9 will be the answer for question number 5. So next question. So 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way based on the position in the above arrangement, so formed a group. Which one does not belongs to the group? So R1E, where is R1 and E? Just see, R and 1 is an immediately neighbors and then they are leaving 1 and then it is E. Got it? So R1E. So F7D. So similarly F and 7 are the immediate neighbors. So they are eliminating the next letter and then they are calculating D. So F7D. So similarly M23. See, M and 2 immediate neighbors leaving 1 letter, 23. So 9HW. So 9H immediate neighbors leaving I. So next letter is W. So all these 4 are in a certain format. So the last UJ6. See, UJ, and actually we should come, but UJ they are calculating the previous letter 6. So we can say out of these 5, the option number E alone is in the different format. So we are saying that this one is alike in certain way. So we can say option number E will be the answer. Got it? For question number 6. So next question, question number 7. So how many such symbols are there? Just see how many such symbols are there in the above arrangement, each which immediately preceded by a number but not immediately followed by a consonant. Very important, right? So how many such symbols are there? So symbol, we know that in the previous videos itself I have told you, preceded and followed. Preceded should comes first, followed should comes next, right? So see, immediately preceded by a number. So before a symbol we should have a number. But after a symbol, because followed, right? After a symbol there should not be any consonants. So it should not be a consonant, but in this position it can be a numbers or it can be a symbols, it can be vowels, but consonant should not be there. Got it? Okay. So let me find number, symbol, and it should not be a consonant. Let me find how many things are there. See, number is 1. I can take this as one set. because this one is a number. So at is a symbol. E is not a consonant. E is a vowel. So we can take this as 1. So similarly, 7 copyright D. No, it is wrong. Why? Because 7 is a number and copyright is a symbol, but D is a consonant. So it is wrong. Got it? So next question, number, see 3%9. I can take this. Why? Because 3 is a number. Percentage, sorry, where is 3? Oh, 3 is a number. Percentage is a symbol. But 9 is a number. It is okay. We should not get a consonant, but we can get a numbers or a vowels. So we can take this as set 2. So this will be set 1 and this will be set 2. So next will be number. See, similarly 8 star 6. So 8 is a number, star is a symbol, 6 is a number. So we can take this as set 3. So next, I think totally we are getting 3 sets. So answer for this 7th question is 3. Got it, friends? Always remember that one important thing, but not immediately followed by a consonant. The meaning is next to the symbol, consonants only should not be there. It can be a numbers or it can be vowels. You should consider that also. Got it? So answer for question number 7 is 3. So next question, which of the following is 10th to the left hand of 13th from the right hand? See, I think it's wrong actually. Question is wrong. Which of the following is 10th to the left of 13th from the right hand? So here you can able to see left and the right hand. What you need to do? If it is left hand, you need to subtract. If it is right hand, again you need to subtract. But if it is left and right hand, right, then you need to add. So here you can able to see 10th and here 13th. So 10th plus 13th resultant will be 23. So we need to find which element is at the 23rd position, from which end you need to find the right hand. We know that this is left hand and this will be right hand. So calculate the 23rd position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So finally we can say that F is at 23rd position from the right hand. So we can say answer for this question is F. So friends, it's very easy, right? Totally 5 questions, that is from the element series, is very simple. So practice more, right? So if you practice more, then solving these types of questions are very, very simple. So next question, 9, 10, 11. So totally they have asked 3 questions from the topic directions, right? Okay, let me move to this question. So point U is 10 meter to north of point Q, right? So what we can do is, let me fix Q here, right? So Q north at 10 meter. So let me assume this as 10 meter. So 10 meter we have point U. So next, point T is 10 meter to the east of point U. So from point U, eastern side 10 meter we have point T. We know that this is north, south, west and east. So eastern side, right? So 10 meter we have point T. So this is point T and this is point U and this is point Q. Got it? So point S is 15 meter to the south of point T. So 15 meter, just see here, it is 10 meter, right? The left hand side area you can find it's 10 meter. And now point T southern side 15 meters. So this will be 15. So 15 meters what we have is, so point S. So this becomes point S. Understood? So next, point P is 20 meters south of point Q. So again point Q southern side at 20 meters what we have is point P. Okay, interesting. So next, so point R is 25 meters to the east of point P. So from point P eastern side 25 meters is point R. So we can say that, okay, so let me, this is 25 meter, so which is point R. Got it? So next, point L is 15 meter to the east of point S. So point S eastern side at 15 meter. So 15 meter, so this will be point L. That's it. Right? The last point is point M is in the midpoint of U and P. See, M is at the midpoint between U and P. So between U and P, you can able to see between the total distance is how much? Total distance is 10 and 20, which is 30. So between U and P at the midpoint where the letter M is there. So midpoint will be at 15. So here 15, here 15. So at the midpoint we have a letter M, so it will be definitely at this point. Why? Because you know T and S is 15, so definitely U and M is also 15. Got it? So first question, so what is the difference between L and R? So we need to find what is the difference between L and R. So already we know that between M and S, right? So this becomes 15, right? So we can say between L and R it must be 15 meter. Got it or not? Because we already know that P and M, M and U have both are same distance, because M is midway between P and U. So only one chance that it should be definitely M and P, the distance should be 15 meter. So if M and P is 15 meter, then L and R will also be 15, because both are a parallel lines. So we can say the distance between L and R will be 15 meters. So next question. So in which direction is point T with respect to point P? So our target is to find from point P what is the direction of point T. So from point P, the direction of point T will be in the northeast direction. So we can say the answer for this question is northeast. So next question, which of the following points are in line? So PRS. So P is here, right? R is here, S is here. No, it is wrong. So PRS is not in. What is the meaning of inline? Inline is like straight line, right? So all these points should lie on the straight line. So we can say first option is wrong. Second option, QML. So QML, Q is here, M is here, and L is here. Again, it's not in a straight line. So MSL, I think only one letter that we have is M, S and L. Understood or not? So these 3 points, you can see M is here, S is here, L is here. So all 3 points exactly lie on the straight line or inline. It is called as a straight line or inline, both are same. So we can say the letter M, letter S and L are in a straight line. So we can say MSL. So option number D will be the answer for this question. Understood, friends? So it is easy. So remember that every time if you are going for the prelims exam, you can able to see blood relation 3 marks, direction 3 marks, or else blood relation 2 marks, direction for 5 marks. So these two topics plays a major role in the reasoning section. So whenever if you are going for the prelims exam, so practice the direction and blood relation always. So next set of questions is the following question that is based on 3-digit numbers. See, similar question they have asked in 2016 reasoning also. Same type of question, right? So usually they will give some series of numbers, and based on that we need to solve all the 5 questions. So first question, if 2 is subtracted from second digit of all odd numbers and 2 is added to the first digit of all even numbers, which of the numbers will be lowest number in the arrangement? See, 563 is an odd number, right? If it is an odd number, what you need to do? 2 is subtracted from the second digit. So if you subtract 2 from the second digit, that is 6, it becomes 543. Understood or not? 218 is an even number, so add 2 to the first, that is 418. So 732 is an even number, you need to add 2 to the first digit. If you add 2 to 7, it becomes 932. So similarly 491 is an even number, so subtract 2, which becomes 471. 929, again it's an even number. If you 929 is an odd number, so if you subtract 2 from the second digit, it becomes 909. So here our target is to find which of the number is lowest. You can see the lowest number is 418. So 418 is the lowest number, that is a replicate of 218. So we can say 218 will be the answer for question number 1. Very interesting. Even as small kids can able to solve this question, but we need to solve it a little bit fastly, right? That's it. So next question. So if third digit of the highest number is divisible by first digit of the lowest number. So third digit of the highest number. So here the highest number is 929. In this 929, the highest last third digit is 9. So it must be divided by the first digit of the lowest number. So lowest number is 218. So in this 218 we get 2 is the lowest number. So divide by 2, which becomes 4.5. So 4.5 will be the answer for question number 13. So next question, So if all the digits in each number are arranged in an increasing order, what is called as increasing order is called as an ascending order, right? Smallest to the largest. So let me arrange this. 563 can be written as 356. Got it? 218 can be written as 128, 237, 149, 299. So now what is our target? So which is the highest number? Highest number is 356, right? So 356 will be the highest number, which is a replicate of 563. So we can say 563 will be the answer for question number 14. Got it? So next, how many numbers will be there in the given series in which addition of the first and the third digit is greater than the second digit? See, we need to add first digit and the third digit, and we need to check it should be greater than the second digit. How many series are there? So if you add 5 and 3, which is 8. So 8 is greater than the second digit, that is 6. So we can consider this as a one set. Got it? So similarly, 8 plus 2 is 10. So 10 is greater than 1. So it's a second set. Third. 7 plus 2 is 9. So 9 is greater than 3. So we can take this as another set. So similarly, 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 is not greater than the second digit because the second digit is 9 here. 5 is less than 9. So you should not consider the series. So similarly, 9 and 9 will be 18. 18 is greater than 2. So you should consider this. So finally, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 set we got, that is adding first and the third digit, which is greater than the second digit. So answer for this question number 15 is 4. So next question is 16th question. How many numbers will be there in the given series in which difference of first and the third digit is greater than the second digit? See, we need to find the difference of first and third. That number should be greater than the second digit. So 5 and 3, what is the difference here? Difference is 2. So 2 is not greater than 6. 2 is less than 6. So we should not consider this series, right? So 8 and 2, that is the difference will be 6. So 6 is greater than 1. Yes, we can consider this. So similarly, 7 and 2 difference is 5. So 5 is greater than 3. So we can consider this. 4 difference 1 will be 3. 3 is not greater than 9. 3 is less than 9. So we should not consider this. So similarly, 9 and 9 is 0. No difference. So 0 is not greater than 2. 0 is less than 2. So we should not consider this. So only we got 2. 2 sets where the difference between the first and second is greater than the second digit. Got it? So answer for this question is 2. So friends, I think so next is a blood relation. So let me solve next 15 set of question in the next video. See, first you can able to see all the question in the reasoning section in this video are very simple. You can crack this 15 question within 5 minutes. It's very simple. It requires only practice. So you need to practice more. If you practice more, then solving all the question in the SBI CLERK Prelims exam is very simple. So after watching this video, I will upload the same PDF file in my the same video description page. You can directly download this PDF file. If you want, you can practice it, and in the same description page I have given the test link also. So because of COVID time, my website was not updated, so only I am giving a direct link at the description page. You can click this direct link and you can start purchasing the test. And after purchasing it, don't forget to write all the 30 practice set before going for the prelims exam. So that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. So let me see the next set of 15 question papers in the next video. So first I can finish the reasoning section and then I can go with the aptitude section, because aptitude I thought of teaching on the board, so only I didn't teach aptitude now. So first let me finish reasoning and then we can go with aptitude. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.